This is a trumpet. It's comprised of brass. A lot of trumpets are made of brass. Some of, as you'll see, are dull in finish. Some come in silver, some come in gold, some come in yellow gold, yellow brass. When you first get your trumpet, you'll see that in the case it will come in two pieces. The trumpet itself, and it'll come with the trumpet mouthpiece. All you need to do to put this together is to take the mouthpiece, put it inside the lead pipe, give it a tiny little twist, and you're good to go. Once you've gotten the trumpet put together, the mouthpiece and the lead pipe, I'll show you how to hold the trumpet. Basically, all you need to do is in your left hand, you'll wrap your hand naturally around the valve casings, and you can stick either your middle finger or your third finger into the finger loop there, keeping somewhat flexibility in your left hand. With your right hand, you will just rest it on top of the valves, remembering not to put your pinky finger in the hook there. That is only meant for holding the trumpet and the mute at the same time. You're going to put your index finger on the first valve, your middle finger on the second valve, and your third finger on the third valve. This is the first valve, second valve, third valve. When you're playing the trumpet, you'd like to have the most natural posture possible, making it easy for the air to get from your lungs and out of your body into the horn. So you want to think of it just as a normal, like as you would be standing, and have the trumpet pointing straight out, sort of fitting naturally the way it would want to fit on your teeth, sort of just flat, sort of straight out. And you want your arms to be completely relaxed. You don't want them tucked into your body. That can create tension. You just want them kind of to flow naturally, sort of, I guess, at a kind of a right angle, as you can see, like that. So if you ever get your mouthpiece stuck in the trumpet, which is a common problem, especially for a beginner, first of all, it's important never to hammer on the mouthpiece. You always want to treat it like it's a screw going into a piece of wood. You just sit it on, tiny little screw, and it'll stay there, no problem. But if you ever get it stuck, you're going to want to try and just twist it counterclockwise. Just keep doing that until it comes out. I'm going to talk a little bit about daily trumpet maintenance. Now, each day before you, when you take the horn out of the case, it's always good to rinse the mouthpiece. It can get pretty gunky in there every few days, so just maybe run under some warm water. Don't need any soap. They make special little brushes for mouthpieces that you can get at any music store. It's just a little sort of wire brush. Fits in there, give it a thing, clean it out. And now as far as valves go, you'll want to always give the valves a bit of oil every day before you start. This can be done by just simply unscrewing the valve cap, lifting the valve up just so that the shoulder of the valve is sort of exposed there, and then you can sort of take your valve oil. I use T2 for this horn. There's many different varieties out there. So you just basically take it, 1 or 2 drops around the shoulder there, put the valve down, give it a little twist so that it gets entirely covered. Make sure to put the valve down back in the same way that it came. You'll see this little sort of device here that tells you that it's in the right spot. It'll start to click. There's 2 ways it could work. It could click this way, or it could click the backwards, but just try to make sure it's in the right way. The way to tell if you did it wrong is this. You can blow notes, or you can't blow notes. If it's in wrong, it's like really hard to blow, if at all. So, yeah, try to put it back the way you found it. And screw it back on, it's pretty good as new. Every day, at least every couple of days, depending on how much you play. It's also important to keep the trumpet slides in good working order and the tuning slide in good working order consistently. So each day when you pick out the horn, make sure everything is moving smoothly, and you should have slide grease for the trumpet, which you can apply. You should only have to apply it once every few months to the just a little bit around each area there, and then just slide it back in, kind of coat the whole thing Same at the top. Kind of work it around, and then just put it back in, like so. Same thing goes for the third valve slide and the first valve slide.